Hello, and welcome to the workshop. Just here to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And I'm waving around. I do apologise. I got told off by one of you guys for that. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for supporting the channel throughout this year and previous years, of course. And basically wish you a happy holiday and hope you're all safe and well and have a prosperous new year. So what's going on in Larcs Workshop in 2023, I hear you say? Come on, roll with it. Yes indeed. Well, we've got the Corsa in the workshop. We're struggling at the moment. We've got some steering issues which I've got to sort out. We're halfway through a video on that. We'll get it sorted. I had a bit of a false start with what I want. Ooh, sorry. What am I saying sorry to a bike for? It's a bike. Anyway, yes. We'll try and sort out the steering. There's a few jobs left. It's not looking... Oh, well. That's a very busy looking board, isn't it? What we're looking at, we got clean stereo, wing dent, rear bumper, door lock, exhaust leak, inner tie rod. That is not correct. You'll find out in the video about that. It's a bit more than that, but there we go. But yeah, we got a lot going on. TT still there. I really want to have a go at that this year if I can. I'm halfway through a washing video. Believe it or not. I washed it summer and that is as far as it got. And I know, I'm sorry. It's been a busy year. But I think it's been a busy year for everybody. So I'm sure you'll understand. Anyway, let's look back at the board. We've got TT. We've got loads to do on there. The Golf, aircon. Oh, rear window don't work. Kangoo, I'm going to get that out. I really want to get that one done. So we've got a bit of a list here. And what else we've got? The Vivaro. We've got to do the rear arches. We've got to do the bumper. Got a second key. We've got a second key. Maybe lower it. Rear seat maybe. Wheels maybe. Well, I don't know. I mean, we'll see what turns up. But yes, and Tom's, we've got some work to do on the... Oh, I've done a lot of those. I don't think there's much to do on Tom's, actually, so we're all right on that one. And what we got down here, Dudley. We got oil, hydraulic oil do. We've got to do a service. We haven't done a service yet. Yeah, we've got lots to do here. And all the filters and stuff to do. So we've got a big list. In fact, I think I'm going to have to go... change the way I do this. I might have to go on sheet paper and put one up at a time because I'm out of room. So there we go. What else we got? We've got the Fasty, the Beetle, the Mini. I don't, well, unless I get some time this summer, I can't see them going anywhere this year, but you never know, we might do. Like I say, TT, you know, the CZ, my late uncle's bike. I've got to sort out registration. Still haven't got to it. So, you know, we've got loads of projects. We've got loads going on now. But, yeah, this year has been a bit of a firefighting year. As you guys know who follow me, I had quite a busy summer at work. And it's sort of, not work, but it's sort of continued in being really busy with just family things, you know, things go on. So I'm going to try this year, but I can't promise. You know, I've been trying to do every other week a video if I could, but it's just difficult anyway. It's not your problem. I've got stuff to sort out. So basically, I need to retire. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? And then I can do stuff. But yes, anyway, and yeah, that's for the Kangoo. And yeah, you can't get glass anywhere for them, though, hence you have to buy the whole door. Anyway, I've waffled on enough, kept you for long enough. Again, I really like to thank you for all your support, all your comments. You guys are great. And yes, awesome. And also, you guys, well, I haven't bought anything from you guys this year, because last year I bought a laptop. Because I'm trying to save up some money, because I want to try and make this space more usable. I know in the camera it looks huge. I mean, it is big, but you can't get the Vivaro in. And even with Bugley in here, it is quite tight. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm looking at different options, lots of different options, and how to fund them. And about, of course, we probably need planning permission and things like that. But I'm going to try. Again, it's not, I don't know when it'll be, but I'm looking into it. So try and improve the workshop. It's not looking too bad. It's looking relatively tidy. I've got stuff on the go, as per always. That's never tidy. But it's getting there. It's getting there. And I want to sort out some heating as well, because that thing doesn't cut it. I don't know where, you know, in this country we had a very sharp change in temperature last week. Oh, excuse me, just have my tea. And it went from around about -3 here, Celsius, and all of a sudden we were up at 12 degrees plus Celsius. And the whole workshop was dripping wet. Everything that had a hard surface was soaking wet. Even my tools, my toolbox was all drenched. Inside, all my spanners, everything was soaking wet. So I had the fan heater, just pointing at that last night, trying to dry everything out. And I'm a bit worried about welders and things like that. So I've had the heater on. I've had to turn it off now because it's noisy. To try and just take some of the moisture out of the air. It's not too bad in here. As you can see, I've got a t-shirt on. But it does tend to hold the cold in here. So we're going to try and sort out, it's not heating, but just not allowing the temperature to go too low. Right, again, God, I waffle. I do waffle. I do apologise. That's going to be it. I'm going to let you go and have your Christmas dinner, or tea, or pudding, or little tipples. Again, have a good Christmas and good holidays. Be well, be safe, and look forward to talking to you guys next year. Cheers then. Steering, not column, steering